So here's a demonstration video of the depth of field concept using apertures. Here's the setup. The camera is aimed across the field. There's a small cairn, rock cairn in the foreground. There's a pin about a third of the way in, and then a picture across the table. So as you can see at the beginning, we're focused on the little cairn in the foreground, and it says f2.8, which is as big of an aperture as this lens will go. Now as I start changing the aperture size, 3 clicks makes 1 stop of difference. You're going to notice that the pen first and then the picture in the background will come more into sharp focus. So I'm going to go all the way to f22. So I've increased the depth of field from just beyond the stone cairn to almost across the whole field. Now if I focus back there on the picture, let's just zoom in and make sure we're sharp there. And start to do the reverse by opening up the aperture. You'll see that the cairn starts going more and more soft. So the depth of field is back near the picture rather than up closer. Now the pen is actually at about the hyperfocal distance. So let's focus on that. And notice that when I did that, the cairn came almost into focus even at f3.2, which is quite large. Well, let's just reduce the aperture a bit, and you can see we can pretty much get the whole depth of field even though we focused way into it. That's called the hyperfocal distance. It's the widest, deepest part of the depth of field, and generally it's about 1/3 of the way into the scene. Depth of field using the aperture. Thanks.